Ken Smyers with Control Trends. I'm here at Realcomm 2016. I'm with Todd Rodemaker.
Whoa!
Visual BackNet. Why don't you tell us a little bit about both?
Work tech, work. Hi, Eric Stromquist at the 2016 Realcomm IBCon. Data. We hear about data. Collect your data, analyze your data. Well, you can do it that way, or you can just reach out to this guy because he's already got the data and is willing to share it. I'm with Ron Zimmer from CABA. Ron, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Eric, always a pleasure to speak with you, particularly at Realcomm IBCon. It's the place to be right now.
It has been a good show for you so far?
It's fantastic. I mean, it's one of the key events. There's obviously a number, but this is one key event where the Realcomm organizers, Jim Young and his team, have bring together end users and the service providers, the OEMs of hardware, software, and everybody in between in the ecosystem.
It's pretty amazing. You've been around the industry a good bit like I have, and have you ever seen the pace moving at this rapid of pace before?
It's actually incredible to see the uptake now, which hasn't been, as you know, as fast in the past.
Right.
So we're now seeing interest, and when you get big companies like JLL and CBRE and Liberty Property Trust and GSA, I just saw one of the speakers there talking about what GSA is doing and reducing their energy costs by 30%. It's just amazing. So those leaders are now being showcased, and others in the industry are starting to understand the opportunities.
You know, among other things, I mean, saving energy is kind of a bonus. Reducing your operational expenses is huge, but we're seeing more and more. It's really become part of your brand. I mean, you better be sustainable, have intelligent, smart buildings, and you better be getting it out so that your tenants and the community can see you. Are you seeing that as well?
Exactly, and I think one of the things that CABA, as you know, we have one of the greatest, we have the largest research library in the world when it comes to intelligent buildings and connected homes.
Yeah, real quick before I got to tell our community a little bit that they don't know exactly what CABA does, because you guys are phenomenal.
Yeah, so we're, as an industry association, we've been around. We're one of the best kept secrets, 28 years.
Yeah.
So we have been around a while. And we work with over 335 members now, and many of them are here. And we also reach out to 25,000 plus industry professionals. And one of the things that we do with our research, some of the research we do, but we gather from many sources. But some of the research that we just recently completed, I hope we can share that with your audience.
Yeah.
I'll show you
Sure.
a document. This, in fact, we've got a much bigger profile, but
Yeah, let's hold that up a little bit higher. You got?
Yeah, this piece of research, which is focused on zero net energy buildings, the research is incredibly valuable, and we're giving it away to the industry. Anyone can download that absolutely free. The insights that came from the facility managers, which is true for anyone that is looking at taking advantage of energy management systems, lighting controls, and how do we manage and reduce our energy costs and make our buildings more sustainable and environmentally friendly, and as governments try to reach out to create the new clean environment and climate change issues that we face. So this is some very insightful research. We encourage your audience, and hopefully you'll be able to share with them the URL link that they can download it.
Right, we'll put a link at the bottom of the post here, and then we'll also put a link to Ron's site at CABA. But I tell you what, if you think about what it costs to collect and collate this data, I mean, this is an unbelievably generous offer on your behalf.
Plus, our public library has over 900 pieces of research that anyone can access at our website. I hope you also share our website, because our goal as a nonprofit, International Industry Association, is really to help the industry grow, help the industry understand, because it's as you say, now with the Internet of Things, with all things being connected, Eric, I mean, whether it be our cars connected, our smart devices connected to our offices, to our homes, wearables. Soon you and I will be loaded with sensors that will...
Yeah, I got the camera right here.
will connect us in a way that we never thought possible.
Yeah.
That's coming at a rapid pace, and so how do companies and organizations, whether they be builders and developers and facility managers, or even the OEMs of hardware, software, and service providers, how do they monetize it? How do they take advantage of it? How do they deliver that consumer or customer experience that will be truly what the industry needs to explode to that mass market?
Well, you got to have the data. I had a teacher once, Ron, who used to say, "In God we trust, and all else get data." And I think you're the data source.
Well, I appreciate that, and we actually did recently the big data or data research project for intelligent buildings. Very insightful. We just actually had our town hall here with our board members, AT&T, Intel, Siemens, and EcoRhythm. And at that town hall, somebody raised the point that how do we really look at now, or how do we better understand fog computing, data analytics at the edge, not having to go up to the cloud, so it's more secure for cybersecurity. So we're going to do a white paper based on that information that came out of that audience yesterday. And so this is the value that CABA gets by going to these events, listening to our members and other stakeholders to say what else can CABA provide that would be of value to you as an industry.
I think if you're going to create the future, you got to be able to predict it, and it sounds like you're getting so many different data points, so many different references. It's great stuff.
And I have to compliment your group, Eric, because you do, and Ken and others on your team do an amazing job of helping profile to people as to the great resources and research and information that's out there, and oftentimes people aren't aware of it. So again, a compliment to your team for the work you're doing to help.
Thanks so much, Ron. Really appreciate it. And listen, we're going to put links underneath this video, so click on the links. But for somebody who might not get the link, what's CABA? What's the best? www.caba.org?
Yeah, CABA.org. A lot of great free research and information that will be helpful to people that are in this sector.
Very, very cool. Ron, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Thank you, Eric.